Kieran's just gonna throw it. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Real McNeals. We are headed out on an adventure today. We are going to see the Alberta Birds of Prey. So we are working on pancakes this morning to get everybody ready to go. Come along with us and see what type of adventure we find at Alberta Birds of Prey today.
No, if he slows down to like 15, I can catch up.
Bailey's in her happy place. Here comes her friends. Do you want to see if you can feed them? They are well fed. Riley has a new friend.
You think if I just open the bag and we can scrape from the bag?
Bite your hands. Oh, you got a whole group.
Kieran's scared. Kieran's just gonna throw it.
He's trying to eat your hand. Oh my God.
Yeah, some of those big guys, they got
Look at this! Ouch! They keep thinking that the threads of my hands are food. Yeah, they're like, you gotta cup it. Then they can't open their mouth all the way. I have like 5. Look at them all! Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! It's like feeding time at the McNeal house! The babies were baby burrowing owls, and my joke of the day is that we came here to get a little vitamin D, as in duck.
Good way to kind of reduce the waste that they have, and it can actually save us close to about $1,000.
Buddy is looking like a drowned rat. Oh, he's not impressed with me. Look at him. Hello, Jefferson. You look so happy though. Oh. This is a peregrine falcon.
seeing one fly around.
This is one of the smallest owls. It is a saw-whet owl. How big is your wingspan? You're a bald eagle, my friend. Ooh, what is it? What is he? Bufflehead ducks? Oh. What is that? I know it is. Look at the hives. They are like paper, you're right. It's time for some lunch. I think it's about 2:30 and people are starting to feel a little bit hungry. So we're gonna go and dig the food out, wash our hands because we've touched a lot of birds and things, and then we're gonna have lunch.
Very light, very light. Okay, perfect.
Probably. Oh yeah. That's so cool. I like her. I'll take her. Yeah? You want her? You want her? Aw. So cool. Right here. Big old turkey vulture up in there. Yeah. It's just the right size for you, Tegan. Did you ask its name? Hello. So cute.
Her name is
Does yours have a name?
Squeeze it.
We are all done and we are getting ready to go. It is scorching hot. The girls and I have just climbed up a hill for a little scenic viewpoint here over the ponds. We learned a lot. It was so cool. If you are ever around Lethbridge, Alberta area, you have to come and visit. It is definitely worth it.
Make sure to come here, and if you have a kid, maybe buy them one of these. Whoopies!
Grandpa may have spoiled the girls just a little bit in the gift shop with a snowy owl, and what did Addie get? Is it a falcon? I think it's a falcon. Have you had a good day?
Yeah.
What was your favorite bird?
The Sarah.
Sarah.
Yeah.
The golden eagle. Favorite?
The baby owls. I got the whole.
Favorite?
Either those tiny owls and the golden eagle, because that was cool too.
Do you know what? Bailey,
And Bailey?
I don't know, I like them all.
She liked them all, but she really was in love with the ducks. Ice cream treats. Water refills. Sandy's gone.
She's gone.
First girlfriend. I feel like you should be sad.
I'm
And you're not. You're happy.
Happy.
All right. So Kieran just sold his car. How long did you have it?
3 weeks.
3
exactly.
weeks. And he made a decent amount of money on it. And so we are on to new Sandys.
Yeah. Hondas. Is
Hondas instead of massive Cadillacs. So after learning all about all the different birds of prey that we can find around here, we came home and had leftovers for supper at 8 o'clock at night. Got all the kids to bed, put our fridge back together in the trailer. I don't know if I ever mentioned that, but I went out there for something this morning and realized that I had left our fridge door closed in our RV. And if any of you are RVers, you totally get the disaster that caused. So Clancy cleaned it all up. I'm so thankful for that because it's a big job. It was fuzzy in there. Lots of mold. You never leave an RV trailer fridge door closed. Bad idea. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope that you learned something about birds of prey. And if you are ever in the area, we highly recommend going and visiting the Alberta Birds of Prey. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you soon.